All right, head over to highlands.edu. Go over to quick links right here. Click on that. Then go to library over on the right hand side. It's going to bring you over to Galileo, and then you want to type in whatever topic. Try not to do just drugs because you're going to have a billion topics. Maybe you could put drugs in families or conflict within families, conflict within brothers. Be as specific as possible for your search, and it'll bring you to all the different articles, ebooks, journals, things like that. You can decide what publication years you want to kind of filter through. You can decide if you want just reports, just audio, just videos, things like that. I'm going to choose just academic journals. And you can do that. It's going to take too long. So then here's one of my academic journals. If I want to choose, um, here we are, prescription drugs or something like that. This source, you click on the PDF article, the PDF, I'm sorry, attachment right here. And here's my article. So I am expecting you to read your articles so that it'll support what you're trying to say in your paper. You can download the PDF right here. You can also save it in a folder. Make sure you grab the citation right here. And because you're using MLA, scroll down to MLA, grab this, and make sure you put that on your citation page. Okay? Very simple.